Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel. My name is Gabbyproscra. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sony Acid Music, where you can use to mix your music the way we do on this channel. This video is sponsored by DJJsipStar. As you can see, he has gone to college, so he won't be around right now. I'll be the one going with you, but don't worry, he's going to be dropping more mixes on this very channel. So right now today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sony Acid Music Studio, and in the end of the video I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can be able to get the software in case you need to do the same thing he's doing. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to it. So as you can see, when you download, it will come in WinRAR. In case you're not having WinRAR, you can open it in Files Explorer. Yeah, so when you open, it will come like this. So first thing you have to do is extract it. So by extracting, we're going to press wizard, press yes to all. Then in case your computer is fast enough, it will open immediately. So inside you will see setup. What you're going to do is say open setup, then you press yes, then it will come. Then after, all you have to do, keep pressing next. I have read next. In case you need creating shortcut on a desktop, you take it, but for me I don't need it for now, so I'll just go by install. So in case your computer is fast enough, it will run the way you're seeing mine is running. But if it's slow, you'll have to wait for a little bit more. So as you can see, it's about to finish. Now it's done. After you press finish, so before you rush to open it, most people do this mistake, and in the end of the day they say the software didn't work, but they forgot and they didn't patch, and so they went and started opening. So when you open it right now without patching, it will show you like this. You won't be able to access it. It will show you something else different. So you have to first press cancel. So after you come, there's another second folder you have to go inside. So you can see the key gain is here, so you have to open the key gain. Remember, the key gain has a lot of noise, so when you open, you be careful with your noise. In case your speaker is kind of weak, it will be destroyed. As you can see, I've already reduced mine, but the sound is really loud like that. So now we'll have to select the very type we have installed, Sony Acid Music Studio 10.0. so we're going to go down straight to it, Acid Music Studio 10.0. This is the very one we have installed, because if you select another one, it will do for you other things. So you'll have to press patch. So on patch here, all these things will be closed. You won't be able to see any. So what first thing you have to do, go to see, then in case you're using 64-byte window, open program files 86, that way the one with the times the X. So in case you're using 32, it will be on the first program files without the 86. So as for me, I'm using 64-byte window. So after you come down here and select the magics, in some Acid Music 10.0 it doesn't show magic, so it shows you Sony, so you have to be careful. Sometimes it doesn't show magic, so it will be showing you Sony. So you have to open inside magics and press the Acid Music Studio 10.0 folder and press OK. Then after, you do the same thing. You have to do it twice, because if you do it one time, it will not work out for you. So you have to open magics and press OK again. Then after, you see it patching correctly. Then it will show you in a short period of time that the file has been patched successfully. So you copy the serial number. Then after, now you go and open the Acid. Then you will press next and press yes. So the same serial number you copied from here, you're going to paste it this side. As you can see, it matched the first three numbers they are put here. So you press next and it accept. So a lot of people really get confused here. Even though you're online, you're not supposed to register it online. You have to register from another computer, because when you register online it will require you email. So register from another computer. Press next. As you can see, the first name is already my name, so add the second name. My second name would be the same. So you need an email. If you don't have an email, you can't be able to install it. So for me, my email is so as you can see, I've written my email. Now you select the country, anywhere you think would be right. Press the code, then after press next. Then we'll give you where to register. You press save. After, you can save it and press next. Then come back here and copy the same activation code that they're giving you and paste it here. Then yeah, your software is done.